Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Struggling to find time for everything you need to do? This video will reveal simple but effective time management hacks that can help you get more done in less time. Tired of working harder and harder yet still feeling like you're falling behind? Learn practical strategies to prioritize your tasks, eliminate distractions, and actually work smarter, not harder. Welcome! Today we will talk about the secret to success in today's fast-paced world: time management. If you feel like you never have enough time or you're always busy but not productive, this video is for you. We'll go through practical time management hacks to help you work smarter and achieve better results with less effort. In today's fast-paced world, time management is not a luxury but a necessity. Today we'll discover together how to work smart and achieve amazing results without exhausting ourselves. Time management means you control your day instead of your day controlling you. In a time full of tasks and distractions, good time management is the difference between success and chaos. Time management gives you control over your day, reduces stress, and gives you more time for what you love. Without it, you'll feel constant pressure, as if you're running endlessly. When you don't manage your time well, you'll face high stress, missed deadlines, and your mental and physical health may suffer. Poor time management leads to piled-up tasks, feeling overwhelmed, and losing control of your life. All of this negatively affects your productivity and health. When you manage your time effectively, you'll notice less stress, higher productivity, and more time for yourself and your family. Effective time management gives you peace of mind, increases your achievements, and gives you time to relax and enjoy life. The Eisenhower Matrix helps you categorize tasks: what's urgent and important, what's only urgent, and what's neither. Use the Eisenhower Matrix to set your priorities. Focus on important tasks and don't let the urgent steal your time from what matters most. The 80-20 rule means that 80% of results come from 20% of effort. Focus on the tasks that make the biggest impact. Identify the top 20% of tasks that give you 80% of the results and focus on them to multiply your productivity. Time blocking means allocating specific time slots for each task in your day, helping you focus and avoid distractions. Divide your day into dedicated time blocks for each task. This way, you ensure focus and reduce wasted time. Quick challenge. Pause the video now and write in the comments. What's the biggest time waster in your day? Is it your phone? Social media? Meetings? Type your answer and let's see who has the weirdest or funniest time wasters. Distractions like your phone and social media steal your time and focus. You need to identify and eliminate them during work. Turn off notifications and close unnecessary apps while working. Every minute you lose focus, your productivity drops. Set up your workspace to be quiet and free from distractions so you can focus and complete your tasks efficiently. Keep your desk tidy and stay away from noise sources. An organized workspace boosts your focus and creativity. The Pomodoro Technique is about working for 25 minutes, then taking a short break. This keeps your energy and focus high. Set a timer for 25 minutes and start working. When time's up, take a short break, then repeat. You'll notice better focus and productivity. Don't try to do everything yourself. Delegate some tasks to others so you can focus on what matters most. Delegation isn't weakness, it's smart. Assign tasks to your team or family and focus on what you do best. Set realistic, achievable goals and break them into small steps so you feel progress along the way. Start with small goals and celebrate every step. This keeps you motivated and helps you achieve success step by step. Review your schedule weekly, adjust your plan as needed, and celebrate every achievement, no matter how small. Regular review helps you stay on track, and celebrating achievements keeps you motivated to continue. Remember, time is your most precious asset. With smart management, you'll achieve more and live better. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite time management hack in the comments. Time is your true treasure. Invest it wisely and you'll find success and happiness waiting for you. Share your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe for more practical hacks. Which time management trick will you try first? Share your answer in the comments and challenge a friend to join you. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe, as we'll be sharing more practical tricks soon.